think a lot of times people grow up feeling entitled, thinking that they don't have to do the same things that their parents or grandparents did, and I want them to remember what they have done